Okay, this is a quick video on how to add the analysis toolkit to Excel. You will need this if you want to do things like ANOVA. Now this only works on the full version of Excel, the Excel version that runs under Windows 10 on a desktop or a laptop. It's not supported by the version of Excel that runs on iPads, for example. All of the computers in the university should have this on, but you should also be advised to add this to your desktop or your laptop. It's quite straightforward to do. You've got the File menu, and down here you'll find Options. Right, we go to Add-ins, and at the bottom of the page is Manage various things including Excel add-ins. We click on Go, and we'll find a little list here. We click on Analysis Toolkit, click on OK. Now when you look under the Data tab, you'll find you've got the Data Analysis Toolkit added in. We click on that, and it appears here with various things. Okay, so we're going to cancel that. We'll come back to that in another more specific example. Okay, that's all that was. Nice short one.